Good morning, students. My name is Nirupama Parida from JHV Sardar Primary English School. Students, today we are going to learn English to Language with each textbook, week 2, day 2 for standard 4. Week 2, day 2, sentence analysis. Punctuate the sentence. The school will expect obedience and punctuality from its students. Now we have to punctuate the sentence. We know that the sentence should begin with capital letter and ends with the punctuation mark. In this sentence, the first letter T should be capital, and this sentence is a statement, so it should end with the full stop. Now I am reading the sentence. The school will expect obedience and punctuality from its students. Full stop. Fill in the table given with the words from the given sentence of the day. The school will expect obedience and punctuality from its students. In this sentence, the first word, the, is an article. The second word, school, is a common noun. This is also countable noun because we can count it and it is in singular form. Will expect is a compound verb because will is helping verb and expect is main verb, and it is also an action word. So when we use both the verbs, then it is known as compound verb. From the verb, we can identify it is in which tense. So student, here the sentence is in future tense. Obedience and punctuality. These two words are abstract nouns. Students, do you know what is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are things that cannot be experienced with 5 sense organs. They can be qualities, feelings, or attitude. So here obedience and punctuality are the qualities. So obedience and punctuality are abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are uncountable noun. The word and, which is used in between obedience and punctuality, is called conjunction. Here the word from shows position. So from is preposition. Its is possessive adjective because it describes the noun students. Here student is common noun which is countable and common gender, and it is also in plural form. So student, this is which type of sentence? It is a statement. Answer orally. The school will expect obedience and punctuality from its student. Question number 1. Find abstract nouns and change them into an adjective. So student, in the above sentence, obedience and punctuality are the abstract noun. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन में हमें पढ़ा था कि कैसे एडजेक्टिव को एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन में चेंज करेंगे बाय एडिंग ITY to the given adjective. Here abstract noun is obedience, so the adjective will be obedient. For abstract noun punctuality, the adjective will be punctual. Question number 2. Add adjectives to show type, quality and condition. ये क्वेश्चन में हमें एडजेक्टिव्स ऐड करना है टू शो टाइप, क्वालिटी एंड कंडीशन. यहाँ स्कूल एंड स्टूडेंट्स बोथ आर कॉमन नाउन. सो स्कूल के लिए हमें क्या एडजेक्टिव लिखेंगे? फेमस, मॉडर्न, न्यू. सो वी कैन से फेमस स्कूल, मॉडर्न स्कूल, न्यू स्कूल. सिमिलरली हमें स्टूडेंट के लिए क्या एडजेक्टिव लिखेंगे? ओल्ड, सीनियर, ऑल, परफेक्ट. सो वी कैन से ओल्ड स्टूडेंट्स, सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, परफेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Use a prefix to change the word obedience to its opposite. Students, you know that prefix means to add something at the beginning of the given word. Here, obedience is the word given to us. In order to make opposite, we have to add prefix dis, dis. Then the opposite will be disobedience. Question number 4. Find the possessive adjective in this sentence and link it to its corresponding noun. In this sentence, it is possessive adjective and it links to the corresponding noun school. Question number 5. Say whether the nouns are countable or uncountable. School and students are countable nouns because we can count it. Obedience and punctuality are abstract noun. Abstract nouns are uncountable noun. So obedience and punctuality are uncountable noun. Find the subject and predicate in the sentence. The sentence is, the school will expect obedience and punctuality from its students. ये सेंटेंस हमें किसके बारे में बता रहा है? द स्कूल के बारे में. So, the school is subject. The rest part of the sentence other than subject is called predicate. Will expect obedience and punctuality from its student is predicate. So student, the school is subject, will expect obedience and punctuality from its student is predicate. Thank you.